Injection molding is the process of rapidly injecting molten plastic powder or particles into a mold through air compression at a certain temperature and solidifying them into plastic parts through cooling and exhaust systems. Injection molding is a crucial and important process for plastic molding. The advantages of injection molding are very significant. It has a high degree of automation, fast production speed, high efficiency, and high flexibility in production. Whether it is a simple or complex product, it can be easily manufactured. Moreover, the size of the product is accurate, the quality is high, and it is suitable for large-scale production, which is highly favored by suppliers and customers. Injection molded products, manufactured by manufacturers, are often used in various fields, such as in the daily necessities field. Due to their lightweight and durable characteristics, they are often used to manufacture bottles, cans, cosmetic boxes, etc. In the field of furniture, it is often used to make plastic chairs, tables, etc. In the medical field, it is often used to make medical syringes, infusion sets, and tracheal intubation tubes. In the automotive field, it can be used to make car dashboard, door inner panels, etc. Injection molded products can be said to have penetrated into every aspect of people's daily lives, and the progress of injection molding technology is also crucial.